Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about mid-century modern design. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. In the world of interior design, few styles have made as lasting an impact as mid-century modern. Originating in the mid-20th century, this design philosophy has stood the test of time, continuing to influence designers and homeowners alike. This video delves into the key aspects of mid-century modern design, exploring its origins, characteristics, and enduring popularity. Mid-century modern design is characterized by its clean lines and organic curves, which create a sleek, uncluttered look. The design philosophy emphasizes form following function, meaning that the shape of a building or object should primarily relate to its intended function or purpose. This style also values the integration of nature, often featuring open floor plans and large windows that allow for natural light and a seamless connection between the interior and exterior of the home. Furniture from the mid-century modern era is renowned for its simplicity, functionality, and clean lines. Iconic designers of this era, such as Charles and Ray Eames, Harry Bertoia, Arne Jacobsen, and George Nelson, created furniture and lighting pieces that were practical, beautiful, and have stood the test of time. These pieces often feature innovative uses of materials, combining traditional elements like wood with non-traditional materials like metal, glass, vinyl, and plywood. The color palette of mid-century modern design typically includes neutral tones, which provide a calm and relaxed backdrop. However, it's not uncommon to see pops of color used strategically to add visual interest and personality to a space. These accent colors often include mustard yellow, avocado green, or tangerine, which were popular during the mid-20th century. Mid-century modern design embraces a wide variety of materials. Traditional materials like wood are often paired with non-traditional materials like metal, glass, and lucite. This mix of materials adds texture and visual interest to the space, and reflects the innovation and experimentation that characterized the mid-century period. Today, mid-century modern design continues to be popular and influential. Its timeless appeal and functional design make it a versatile choice for a wide range of interiors. Whether you're looking to incorporate a few key pieces of mid-century modern furniture into your existing decor, or you're planning a full mid-century modern makeover, this style offers a wealth of inspiration and a rich history to draw from. Lighting plays a crucial role in mid-century modern design. These fixtures often feature geometric shapes and are made from materials like metal and glass. The goal of lighting in mid-century modern design is not just to illuminate a space, but also to serve as a decorative element. The influence of mid-century modern design extends beyond furniture and decor. This style has had a significant impact on modern architecture and interior design, influencing everything from the layout of homes to the choice of materials. Despite being several decades old, the principles of mid-century modern design, simplicity, functionality, and a connection with nature, continue to resonate with homeowners and designers today, making it a timeless choice for interior design. In conclusion, mid-century modern design is more than just a trend. It's a timeless style that celebrates simplicity, functionality, and a seamless connection with nature. From its iconic furniture pieces to its innovative use of materials, mid-century modern design offers endless inspiration for creating beautiful and functional spaces. Whether you're a design enthusiast or a homeowner looking to refresh your space, the principles of mid-century modern design offer a wealth of ideas to explore. As we continue to move forward, the legacy of this influential design era promises to remain a significant force in the world of interior design. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a mid-century modern design. Thank you.